You could probably tell these were custom wheels. I wanted to make sure I didn't get them all scratched up, so I put this duct tape on here and just take some duct tape, put it all over this thing. Now this is made after Harbor Freight tire machine, and I didn't want my wheels all scratched up, so I think I better put a little bit more on there. Now they have a picture here, and what it's trying to show is that in this installation here, it says misinstallation, and they have a ball seat lug. A ball seat would be one that's shaped like a ball, right there. And that would be where the lug nut goes in. And then on this picture here, it shows a ball seat and then this one has a conical lug put into it, and that's not wrong. That's not right either. So you can't have a conical and a ball seat. You cannot put the wrong type of lug nut in there. Now this one is conical. It's cone shaped because it's got these sides that are like at maybe a 30-degree angle. And the correct way to install it is this right here. A ball seat lug takes a ball seat lug nut, and then a conical one takes a conical seat. Now I have conical seats on my new wheels. All right, and then when you turn this around, you can see the name of it. Try to get a shot of that. Okay. So these are the ones that I want to put on there. Now, I went up to Walmart to have my wheels put on, but they said we cannot use the original lug nuts, and so I had to buy brand new lug nuts. I bought these off Amazon, and in this case, these are 9/16 by 18, and they look like this. All right, they got this Torx head on it. I'm going to call it a Torx head, and then they give you a socket. I don't like their sockets because it's got this hex head on the top, but it works. And you can't take it apart. You can't take this hex head off of there, so you have to use another socket for this, and it works okay. But this came with this whole kit, and I got 32 of these. All right, I put these covers on this, on these two tire irons, and the thing about it is that they're already tore up. I mean, they put the wheels on and the tires on, but they're all tore up. Now this one here isn't any good. This one here looks like it survived. This one has sort of a funny shape like this right here, and that's why it's tore up.